Our mission is simple. We want to be a refuge to a hurting world. We looked around this community and we saw a community that was hurting, a nation that was hurting, a world that was hurting. We saw that in 1 year in Madison County, there were over 1,100 divorces, over 2,700 deaths, over 800 abortions in our nation. There's over 22 veterans a day committing suicide. Every 67 seconds, someone develops Alzheimer's disease. In the state of Alabama, there's over 137,000 people who are unemployed. Our community's hurting, our nation is hurting, our world is hurting. We started Refuge Church for our family members who were hurt by church. We started this church for our friends who were struggling with addiction. We started this church for people we didn't even know yet. We started this church for you. We started this church for people who wanted to put life change over tradition, who wanted to put people over church politics. Imagine a church that wants to build a community center instead of a building for itself. Imagine a church that wants to have a social worker on staff to truly meet the needs of people in the community. Imagine a church that doesn't want Sunday to be the most segregated day of the week any longer. Imagine a church that wants to go into the bedrooms of children who are terminally ill and do extreme room makeovers. I want to invite you to be a part of our team, to be a part of our family. Together, let's change the world. Refuge Church, where everyone is welcome and anything is possible.